benefits from gardening. Sec.family.community. Consideration in vegetable gardening. Soil. Clay soil. Sandy soil. Loamy soil. Time. Season. Climate. Needs. The community will buy any kinds of vegetables that they need for every day. Profitable. The vegetables that can easily sold anytime. Market demands for vegetables. Methods in vegetable planting. Kinds of vegetable plants. 1. Root crops. 2. Vines. 3. Shrubs/bushes. 4. Herbs. Preparing a vegetable. Plot. 1. Clear the area. 2. Use sticks and string. 3. Cultivate soil. 4. Add fertilizer. 5. Level the plot. 6. Water the plot. 7.